And I have been involved in network marketing for literally over 30 years. And I've been digitally marketing online now for roughly 23 years. And so one of the things that I have mastered is marketing using the internet. And, most people in the day and age of network marketing in years past, it was all done belly to belly. And, I had already discovered the internet long before a lot of network marketers ever did. And COVID pushed a lot more companies into the realm, into the space of allowing digital advertising, because a lot of the dinosaur behemoth companies that are out there have failed to move in that direction, even though we live in a digital world now. So, what is the biggest hurdle that anybody involved in MLM or network marketing has? They either lack the options for getting people in front of their ads or having communications with people to get more people they can talk to about their offer. It's all about traffic. It's all about people. That's what traffic is online, people. Now, I'm part of a community and a company that launched literally a month and a half ago. And this company is growing at an extremely fast rate. Literally, there are hundreds of people joining almost every single day. And this is all about advertising. In fact, I did another video on my channel that I said MLM or web traffic goes MLM. Because not only is this a great way to get your eyeballs in front of other people who are looking to make money online, looking for network marketing opportunities, this business has the ability for you to earn a lot of money as well, because this site, Daily Ads, actually has two matrices at this current moment and one more to come. And the compensation plans are quite lucrative for it. But what I'm going to focus on in this video today is how you can utilize this site to get your offer, your MLM business that you're involved with, seen by thousands of marketers every day. Because as this site grows, there is going to be in the next 12 months, speculation of the numbers so far, somewhere in the neighborhood of 50,000 members involved in this or more. And this is already blown up, like I said, and hundreds of people are joining every single day. And this is all targeted traffic. All these advertising methods that you have available to you in this system of daily ads can help you to put your offer every single day in front of thousands of people, and eventually thousands of new members joining daily. Right now, hundreds of new members joining daily. And you got to remember that some of the best traffic that there is targeted traffic. That means these people already are in MLM or network marketing or affiliate marketing or online digital opportunities, and they're looking for ways to make more money, or they're looking for ways to get more traffic to whatever it is they're offering. So there are numerous effects that being part of a community like this, as it grows and becomes bigger and bigger, and you having your ads constantly displayed back here, will give you some of the best exposure that you can get. Because I know from personal experience of the people that we have referred to the site, we have referred some of the best marketers that I have ever ran across in marketing, period. They have been on the leaderboards, including us, me and my son, of some of the biggest growing companies in the last 15 years. So now, are every person back here going to join you in what you're promoting? No. But what would happen if you had one leader, one heavy hitter join your team in network marketing, or two, or tons of new people, because nowadays people have more than one opportunity. It's not like years past in belly to belly. People that I run into every day have 4 to 5 opportunities that they're promoting. So you can attract people. You can gain more followers, more leads, more people that are looking at your stuff every single day through a platform like this, Daily Ads. And because of the network marketing compensation plans that Daily Ads has on top of it, that's why it's attracting so many people as well, because it's just a fabulous addition to whatever they're doing to help their downline and other opportunities that they may be in have a method to advertise to other targeted traffic, other targeted people that are already in looking to make money. Because what that does is that means that these people have more experience than going and finding complete brand new people who have zero experience in marketing whatsoever. I'd rather have one very experienced marketer than 50 people who have zero experience. Why? Because that one person can bring in a chain of other people into your business 1,000-fold faster and 1,000-fold stronger than people who are just beginning or learning. But, as you build a team, it's filled full of new people, people that have some experience, who've joined, quit, and failed, many opportunities, and then you have super successful people, and you have a combination of those people, and you will find all of that within Daily Ads. And because there's so many people coming in on a daily basis, you're never going to run out of fresh eyeballs to see your MLM offer. And you can see on the page here that I'm on, this is just my banners. Everybody is allowed so many banners according to the level that they're at. And you can explore this whole left-hand side menu because you can join for free. You can come back here, play around, kick the tires, try to set up ads in all the different formats as a free member. And you can also upgrade, and that gives you additional advertising. Like if I click on this, how it works for the banner ads, you can see free is limited to one banner ad, bronze, which is only $10 a month. Plus you get to participate in the first matrix and earn $5 recurring commissions from anybody who you refer. And you get up to you get 3 banner ads. Silver, which is the last level that's available right now, you get to earn an even bigger commissions in a matrix that pays much higher, plus have 5 banner ads. I still have 1 left to put back here because we are a silver member, and as soon as the gold matrix does come out, and the gold upgrade, we will purchase it immediately, because this advertising has already converted for us several times. And like I said, this just launched. We've already gotten signups to the other main opportunities that are network marketing, they're MLM. We have already gotten signups to those, all of them actually. And my banner ads reflect that. I use tracking on a couple of them, and I also know when I talk to people where they came from. But this banner here has already had 73 clicks, 7,723 people have viewed it, 62 clicks in this one, 3,061 people have viewed it, 145 views on this one, 2 clicks, 736 views on this one, and 18 clicks. There are prominent advertising places within the community, and so some banner sizes will actually get more exposure. And I use total branding when I'm back here. Simple banner ads, but I have my face and my name on them. And it's very easy. If you don't have your own banners, you just go to create new banner, and you come back here and you can pick the size that you want. And if you don't have any banner to create your own banners, you can easily go to Fiverr and pay somebody like $30, whatever, to help you create some banners. There are plenty of AI tools that can create banners for you as well. there's numerous options to create wonderful banners. And the thing that I want to show you about these banners that are the ones that I have used these for literally years. These same banners. I had them made once on Fiverr. Long time ago. Long before AI was even a thought in the brain. And these banners have been responsible for producing tons of income. Tons of income for me and my son. He has his own banners that he uses. But these banners have been worth the $30 or $40, whatever I paid for them back then, to have a whole set that were all matching for the different sizes done for me. I still use them this day because they're still that effective. And like I said, this just launched. I think now there's over 3,000 paid members of the site, plus a bunch of free members, because you can join for free. And many people upgrade because they want the benefits of the advertising, plus they want to be able to earn like we're doing, because these comp plans are quite lucrative in the way they're designed. And it's of a stair-step pattern where people can start off with one, move into the next, and eventually into the gold one as well. But there are numerous ways to advertise here. This used to be called, this is the Daily Builder, but if I go to this, or the Daily Hub, I'll go to the Daily Hub. This is what's called a link tree, just like many sites have, where you can go out there and create a link tree. And if you're familiar with link trees, I'll just copy my link tree here. I'll go into a tab real quick, just paste it in here. And you can see, you put a blurb, you have your link to everything that you want to promote on your link tree. You can have your social media, just like in any link tree, and that's given to all members free. You can create your link tree. All you do is click on add link, you add your text, put your link in there, and again, if you're upgraded, your links are automatically rotated and promoted across our community. Fair exposure, real clicks, zero work, daily email exposure to members, smart rotation system, older links go first, real community traffic, fully automated promotion. There's nothing better than getting more eyeballs and traffic to what you're promoting in MLM, network marketing, than on autopilot, because this is set and forget. Once you have this, or unless you want to advertise your link tree like many people do as well, the company also advertises your link tree for you. And that's on autopilot. And again, same with the banners. You set up the banners, you get traffic to them on autopilot. The higher your upgrade, the more traffic you're going to get. But if you're serious about building any network marketing business, I mean, $10 for the bronze is an absolute no-brainer a month. The silver is like $29 monthly. And again, it's an absolute no-brainer because you get more advertising dirt cheap, and it's converting. We've gotten conversions, numerous ones that have paid already for the 2 upgrades that we have in this system. And I'm not going to go through all these advertising methods that are here. You can go through them, check them all out for free. Like I said, I'll leave a link below this video so you can literally come in here, kick the tires, play around with every one of these tabs. Don't be afraid to click on stuff, see where it goes, what it does, try to add stuff, and follow the steps, upgrade, because without traffic, your network marketing business is literally dead in the water. You're never going to make any money. And if you think, that you're going to do it all completely for free, if you don't have massive influence, and even like us, we do have massive influence. So we do some videos, we go post on our Facebook, we do some free advertising. Yeah, we get tons of signups. But we don't just do that because we're trying to build massive teams. And in that process, we use other small amounts of money as leverage. Remember, everything about building income and wealth is about leverage. The more leverage you have, and anytime you can change $10 into $100 or $100 into $1,000, you do it, because that multiplies your money, because that is leverage. And that's what network marketing and MLM is all about in the first place. So yeah, you got massive influence because you have 100,000 followers on YouTube or Facebook. Yeah, you probably don't need to do much paid advertising. But even then, people who have that kind of influence do as well, because it brings in new blood. It brings in new people that can give your business a complete jolt and help it go into absolute momentum phase, because you never know who you are going to reach. And if you want thousands of people seeing your offer every single day, daily ads is an absolute no-brainer to join this site, get started, upgrade to bronze, upgrade to silver, use all the advertising, and this gets you known. I talked about this on my last video. You know, if you're using good branding as well, it gets you known, your name, you know, just up like here at the top. People use even certain usernames that are very well known, like me and my sons. When our name comes across here, people see that. That's what getting known does. That's how you build more and more influence. And, you know, I didn't mean to make this video this long, but I love to give as much information as I possibly can. And sometimes I get long-winded, but it's for good reason, because I truly want you to be successful, and you're not going to poke things with a stick and come out on the other side making all the money that you want. You know, be the person that takes action, be the person that does, and you can build your business to even new heights. No matter what you've done, or you got zero experience, you definitely need to be in daily ads. But I mean, even us, this is an absolute no-brainer. And for anybody else out there that's looking to take their business to another level, you need to be part of daily ads. Some of the biggest marketers, best marketers I have ever seen, known, are already involved in daily ads. And there's a lot more out there that are going to be joining. And you can get some great advertising every single day on complete autopilot. So other than that, my friends, we'll see you on the next video. Have a great day.